Did you know that Jagmeet Singh, the leader of NDP, has been shaking up Canadian politics in ways that even surprises his critics? Seriously, his leadership style and approach have sparked conversations across the country and across continents in India as well. So who exactly is this influential figure in Canadian politics? Alright, so today, grab a cup of chai, sit back and let's dive into the world of Jagmeet Singh. Hey everyone and welcome back. This is your friend Rolly from Canada. Today we are diving into the life and impact of Jagmeet Singh, the leader of New Democratic Party or NDP for short. Since 2021 elections in Canada, Singh has become a significant player in Canadian political landscape and his influence is only growing. So let's break it down for you. To begin, let's start with Jagmeet's childhood years because they are crucial in understanding him and how he might be shaping our country's political future. So, family. Born on January 2nd, 1979, in the Scarborough district of Toronto to Indian immigrants Harmeet Kaur and Jagtaran Dhaliwal. Jagmeet also has two younger siblings, a brother Gurratan and sister Manjot. His parents are both from Punjab, India, and family belongs to the Dhaliwal clan of Jat Sikhs. Singh's great-grandfather was Seva Singh Tikriwala, an Indian independence fighter and political activist who campaigned for Indian independence, and finally in 1935 he sacrificed his life serving a jail sentence in Patiala jail. Another great-grandfather, Hira Singh, served in the World War I and II in the Sikh regiment of the British Indian Army. After a year as a toddler living with his grandparents in India, Singh spent his early childhood in Newfoundland and Labrador. Later, the family relocated to Windsor, Ontario. Singh has publicly discussed having a father who struggled with alcoholism as well as suffering sexual abuse as a child from a martial arts coach. While growing up, he faced his share of challenges including racism, which shaped his worldview and fueled his passion for social justice. With all that behind him, now he is married to Gurkiran with two children. His brother Gurratan Singh joined him in politics and was elected to the Legislative Assembly of Ontario in 2018 Ontario elections, representing the riding of Brampton East. Jagmeet did his schooling from grades 6 to 12 at Detroit Country Day School in Beverly Hills in Michigan. Later in 2001, he obtained a BSc degree in biology from the University of Western Ontario, and in 2005, he graduated as a Bachelor of Law from York University. Later, he was called to the Bar of Ontario in 2006. Career from 2006 to 2011. After joining the Bar of Ontario, Singh worked as a criminal defense lawyer in GTA, that is Greater Toronto Area, at the law firm named Pink of Skies. Later, he started his own practice, Singh Law, which he established with his younger brother Gurratan. In an interview with Toronto Star in 2012, Singh described that his background in criminal law contributed to his decision to enter politics. Singh provided pro bono consulting to an activist group that protested the visit to Canada of Kamal Nath, the former Indian Trade Minister who had allegedly led armed counter-terrorist groups against the Sikh separatists during 1984 Delhi riots. After failing to get their views heard, Singh was inspired to run for office by the activist groups so their concerns could be better represented. During this time, he dropped his surname Dhaliwal to use the more common name Singh. 2011 to 2021. His political journey began when he was elected as a member of the provincial parliament in Ontario in 2011. There, he quickly made a name for himself as a passionate advocate for progressive causes. On October 1st, 2017, he became leader of Canada's NDP. He became the first person of color and first Sikh to lead a major political party in Canada, which was a monumental moment. This background laid the groundwork for his unique approach to politics, blending personal experience with a commitment to social equity. Now let's hit a pivotal moment in Singh's career. In 2021 federal elections, Singh pursued for a bold platform that included measures for affordable housing, climate change and indigenous rights. His passionate campaign resonated with many Canadians, especially younger voters. During the debates, he stood out for his ability to connect with everyday issues and people's real concerns. A standout moment was when he confronted Prime Minister Justin Trudeau on systematic racism, making headlines across the country. This boldness not only showcased his leadership, but also solidified his role as a key player in the current political environment. His ability to address tough issues head-on has made him a voice for many, especially immigrants who feel unheard in the political arena. March 2022 to as on date. In 2021, Jagmeet and his NDP emerged as a deal maker for Justin Trudeau's Liberal government when out of the total 338 seats in the Canadian Parliament, Trudeau's Liberal Party only won 154 seats, whereas the magic mark was at 170 seats. Here, Singh supported Trudeau from the outside. What that actually means that Singh's party won't be a part of the cabinet, but just support the Liberal government, and in return, Trudeau's government would see through that Singh's and NDP's agenda reach the finishing line, which Justin Trudeau did quite literally by supporting Singh's Khalistan agenda. This eventually led to Trudeau's strained relations with India and Canada being sidelined on the international forums like G7 in New Delhi. Later, even the diplomatic staff was withdrawn from both the countries. But with the growing unpopularity of Trudeau and Liberals, and with elections next year, Singh decided to abandon this sinking ship. Now let's talk about some of the challenges Jagmeet Singh faces. First off, leading the NDP isn't a walk in the park. The party has a history of fluctuating popularity, and Singh has had to navigate some tricky waters to keep the party relevant. Public perception is another hurdle. While some Canadians admire him for his progressive stances, others still have certain reservations. Let's shed some light on NDP's past performance data. In 2011 they won 103 seats. In 2015 they won 44 seats. In 2019, they were reduced to only 24 seats. Same in 2021, only 20. And the last two elections were under Jagmeet Singh's leadership. He is literally taking his party to the ground and still boasts of becoming the next Prime Minister of Canada.
And when the next election comes, my friends, I am running to be the next Prime Minister of this country.
Apart from this, there's fierce competition from other political leaders like Justin Trudeau and Pierre Poilievre. Singh has to constantly find ways to differentiate himself from his party from the Liberals and Conservative leadership. It's really tough balancing act. He's got to rally support within his party while also appealing to the broader electorate. So, it's definitely a challenging time for Singh, but I'm sure he must have got a plan which will be unveiled in the upcoming month. So, whether you agree or don't agree with his policies, it's undeniable that Singh is a fresh voice in the political landscape that often seems stagnant. So, what do you think about Jagmeet Singh and his impact on the Canadian politics? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you're curious about other political figures and issues in Canada, don't forget to check out our other videos in the playlist. So until next time, keep sipping on that chai and stay tuned for more exciting content. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Have a good one.